Welcome to SSL Maintenance. This portal can be used only inside the plant. How to use it can be opened by any browser, Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Any browser you can use. Just give the URL 10.2.10.134 colon 5000. Give your credential and get in. These are the admin rights. Uh, this one for admin password reset. This one for inventory out. Just you select the spare and give the quantity and the location. Where is the location? You give the location. This one for master calculator detail. Just select that division. Currently, one is ordered, so it's showing CPP1. You can add CPP2 also. Just giving that. We can add CPP2 description, make, model, and current validity. Just keep out. It will automatically load. This manage spare. You can add new spares. Already all spares is available here. If any is missing, you can create new ID, name, and unit of measurement, division CPP1 or CPP2, and its specification. And this edition, you can add any instruments, equipment. Just give the tag number, name, select the division, CPP1 or CPP2, and the corresponding area will show. You will select it and save it. It's automatically added equipment or instruments. This port is for uh, entering the data. This one for job data entry. Till the work permit, whatever it is, it's not mandatory. If it is in the current, the permit is given by operation, that permit only it has to be placed. And breakdown maintenance or shutdown maintenance, preventive maintenance or calibration works. Other than that, you can select the others. And this is for a sample making current date, time 2 o'clock 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. If you selected automatically the total hours will be calculated and select the division CPP1 or CPP2 and select the area which one is 30 megawatt, 40 megawatt, 43 megawatt. What's the area? You select the corresponding area equipment will show here. So take it. It will show the name also and what the job done. Just enter here and what job is completed or pending or under progress. You have to select it. Then you can use the any spares to take it. Just give out and save it. That's all. it will automatically save. Just like for calibration data entry, go to the calibration, select the division, select the area, select the equipment, make, give the make, range, whatever it is, the particular temperature gauge serial number, whatever it is. This last calibration automatically calculated if it is in the old record. If it is not, leave it. This one is calibration date. It will automatically show the 6 months. After 6 months, the next calibration date. Select the master calibrator. And give the unit of measurement. Unit of measurement. Temperature gauge measurement. Degree Celsius. Okay. Then hard row, for example, current input is 40. So actually it should be 40 and measured is 45. Example one, this one, and decreasing time 40 given, actual 40 to be, and measured is 45. Like the way you can add already inputs. This one was after calibration. 40 input, 40 actual, 40 measure, 40 input, 40 output, 40 measured. And remarks before the calibration, remarks after calibration. Calibration done by or verified by. And save the record. This for pressure gauge calibration. If you are going for transmitter, you just for example we are going to pressure transmitter. mm, Pressure transmitter, for example, pressure transmitter, will sample pressure transmitter calibration date, whatever it is. The input is range you have to select it here. Range you have to tell 0 to pressure transmitter. Your input is 0 kg. Actually हमका 4 milliamps आना चाहिए. So 4 milliamps, 0, 4 milliamps, 4 milliamps. You have to write here milliamps. Two 0.5 kg. It should be 8.2, 2.5, 8 should be 8. So after calibration, we have to enter 4, 4.